Recent press reports have been claiming that the Civil Aviation Ministry has picked up Jewar in UP's Greater Noida Yamuna Expressway belt as their top choice for a second airport in the National Capital Region or NCR. This comes a year after the Akhilesh Yadav government scrapped the airport proposal, first mooted by the previous Mayawati government. And that always happens, doesn't it? One government approves it and the other party comes to power and just rejects it. If the centre and the state are able to reach consensus on Jewar as a location, how will the investment outlook of Greater Noida and Yamuna Expressway change? Vasudha Sharma reports.
Meticulously cut sectors and urban services built beyond demand. Greater Noida was master planned ahead of its times. Now, after 2 decades since this greenfield town was first carved out next to Noida, it seems its time has come. The Civil Aviation Ministry's push to build an international airport at Jewar along the Yamuna Expressway is giving this region new energy.
यहाँ एयरपोर्ट के लिए लैंड ऑलरेडी मास्टर प्लान के अंदर एनमार्क्ड है, करीबन 2000 एकड़ के करीब लैंड चाहिए, तो वो यमुना के अंदर ऑलरेडी जेवर के अंदर आज नहीं बहुत साल पहले ही एयरपोर्ट प्लान था। अगर वो यहाँ पे आता है, DMIC का प्रोजेक्ट हो या जो है अपना दिल्ली टू आगरा वाला एक्सप्रेस हाईवे हो, नोएडा ग्रेटर नोएडा का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हो, तो दिस इज़ द आइडियल प्लेस कि अगर दिल्ली के बाद कोई एयरपोर्ट आता है।
What's more, the Yamuna Expressway Authority and the Delhi Metro are studying the feasibility of building a 48-kilometer metro link connecting Greater Noida to Jewar.
मेरे ख्याल से ये क्योंकि अभी जस्ट अनाउंस ही हुआ है और अभी आज जो प्राइजेज़ हैं वो अभी पुराने ही चल रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से अप्रूवल आ जाती है तो आप डेफिनेटली देखेंगे वहाँ 20 से 25% का तेज़ी आ जाएगी फ्लैटों में। तो मेरे ख्याल से आज इन्वेस्टमेंट करना लोगों के लिए फ़ायदेमंद होगा।
Despite infrastructure unlike any other in NCR, property markets of Greater Noida and Yamuna Expressway have been recording slow sales for a while. Data shows that Greater Noida's almost 100 projects that trade at an affordable price range of 3,750 rupees per square foot have largely remained stagnant on the price front, and a large inventory of flats is still lying unsold with developers. At Yamuna Expressway, out of over 54,000 units in supply, over 25,000 units are yet to find any takers, pushing the inventory overhang in this market to 40 months. And that, of course, has weighed heavy on the price appreciation here. The slow uptake of housing in these two markets can be attributed to the limited employment opportunities here. An airport at Jewar along the Yamuna Expressway could give this region what it desperately needs, a local economy. Coupled with the already planned DMIC project, an airport could trigger demand from corporates and industries to set up base here. Not just jobs, people expect an area to be livable before setting up home. And Yamuna Expressway is just about getting started.
There are almost 5 universities operating in that area. Schools have started to come up, hospitals have started to come up, and in fact people have started to come and live there. People who are going to these universities, working around, and these people have started to live there. So that's a good sign, and livability is increasing by the day over there. In fact, the public transport has been started. There is a bus service which has been started from central Noida to Yamuna Expressway region and back.
Apart from public utilities, extensive policing and regular power supply are the big gap areas for this region.
सबसे पहली चीज़ उनको चाहिए कि लैंड सस्ती होनी चाहिए। सेकंड, प्रोसेस जो सेटअप का है वो बहुत तेज़ होना चाहिए। उसके बाद थर्ड आता है कि 24/7 की पावर लाइन होनी चाहिए, एंड फोर्थ आता है कि मेजर सिक्योरिटी होनी चाहिए। पावर उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल है क्योंकि आप जेनसेट पे एक इंडस्ट्री चला के कभी भी आप प्रॉफिट में नहीं आ सकते।
Once the metro reaches Greater Noida, property seekers can expect the market to heat up. Yamuna Expressway, however, is a 10-year investment, according to market experts. With camera person AJ Joseph, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.